It is very unfortunate that incident happened today. We were not aware even, and we never expected that few group of people will just do like that. And let me just tell you very very bluntly that the law has taken its own course. We will not allow such things to happen again. Let me be very very clear about it. Any issues you have, we are there to discuss. The door is open. Sit down, discuss, and then come to a solution. I think that is very important. Be it anybody in the government. I think that is the principle of democracy, where we need to discuss, sit down across the table, and thereafter resolve the issues. But not not the behavior done by few young boys like they did today at Umtangar. I think that is totally wrong. So let the law take its own course, and the police has done their duty. And my only request once again is to anybody, to anyone, to any stakeholders, any issue you have, let us sit down across the table and we discuss, and we'll come out to a solution. See, if you talk about ILP, it's not only ILP alone. Resolution was passed, and we have been following up, and we are following up, and we are going to follow it up till the end. Be it ILP implementation, be it the languages we demanded, we would like to see that it happen in our state. And this one we are unison. It's not only government alone who wanted implementation of ILP or who wanted languages be considered in Meghalaya, but this aspiration happens to each and every citizen of the state of Meghalaya. So therefore, since the issue is not within our authority, we need central government. We have met the leadership of the central government time and again we are going to meet the government of India. We will again impress upon. And recently, CM, he has already met the Prime Minister. He has already discussed again about these issues. But we will not end on that. We will again go and meet and knock the door of the central government and keep pressurizing central government to consider the resolution passed by the assembly. When I'm saying that, see, we did not know means we never expected those kind of unpleasant checking done by a group of people in the name that you are the tourists and then you don't have to come this side and better you go back. So this is what I mean. Therefore, my point is very clear, as I said to you. Nobody can cross the limit. Let the law take its own course of action. And let me tell you, and repeatedly I would like to again say here, please, anybody, don't take the law in your own hands. The law is the law, be it for me or be it for anybody, but please don't do like this. If you have issues, Secretariat is open. We can sit down across the table, discuss, talk, and with discussion, with across the table, then we will come out with a positive note.